guys, welcome back to another episode. That looks so good. 500 horse, absolute machine. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to be installing some carbon fiber accessories on the inside of my Kia Stinger. As always, I've got Nate the shooter here going to give me a hand to install these pieces. Follow us along this journey. Let's get into it. Right, here he is, the man, the myth, the legend himself. What's up, bro? How are you, man?
Good, good. Haven't seen you in ages.
I know, right? You got my parts.
Yeah, me too.
Oh,
gear knob.
Carbon fiber gear knob. Carbon fiber, what is that? Top driver's light. Nice. Some carbon fiber rear cup holders. And then the new speaker covers.
And they're all double-sided tape.
Double-sided tape. Genuine parts. Bro. Genuine parts. We're going for quality here. Nate's driving today. So we'll start off with the gear knob, I assume. How's this thing work? Pretty nice looking genuine carbon fiber part. I assume it's a genuine carbon fiber part. Anyway, the finish feels like a carbon fiber part. But...
Are you lefty or righty, bro? Just like that.
Damn! Look at that.
That's how you do it.
That's the magic touch, eh? Look at that. Cool little interior. It's a shame that I have to keep this little stock fabric there. I thought they would have given you a whole piece that actually wraps around to replace that. So if anyone's wanting to buy this carbon fiber piece, just a heads up that you actually have to keep your secondary piece there, which is, I don't know, a little bit disappointing. I thought they would have at least given you the cover, but I guess it's attached to the actual whole plastic interior, so to replace that bottom piece is actually probably going to be quite a mish, but I don't know, I feel like that should have been disclosed. But anyway, let's get into it.
So you want to clip that in there. Voila! Look at that.
Damn. That looks sick.
It's tight.
That's tight, look at that. Boom, matches the carbon fiber up here.
If anyone wants to buy this, yeah.
I'll sell it on Trade Me, anyone? Never used, original box.
Yeah. Nah. Pure leather, genuine.
Genuine leather, probably.
You can put it on your belt buckle.
Yeah, belt buckle right there. Thin as F from Kia. Nice. All right.
On to the next one.
Gear one's done. Now we're on to this piece up here. I'm pretty sure it's just, yeah, look at that. Boom, 3M tape. Genuine carbon fiber, my ass.
Let's start from the back, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just there.
There's that hole there, bro. Yep. That's goody.
Okay, let's just set it nicely.
Just roughly, and then we'll tap it in. It's a bit of tension on it. I'm happy with that. You happy with that? Looks pretty good.
Yeah, that's good.
Push her down. Push her down.
Yeah, that's perfect.
That is perfect, bro. That's why I get Nate the shooter involved. The OCD level is unreal in this level. And then now the finishing carbon fiber piece to attach to the sunglasses. It's not like there's no like gloss coat over top of it. There's no clear over top. It's, you can actually feel the patterns. It definitely doesn't look like carbon fiber, but it adds a nice little pop of something, you know? It's quite glossy compared to the stock. Let's do it. Nice, that looks sick. All right, alignment time, here we go. That looks mean, bro. That looks sick. Boom, sunglasses come down. Look at that. It's a pretty glossy finish. That looks sick. So we've got carbon fiber up here, carbon fiber down there. carbon fiber steering wheel. Rear seat carbon fiber, but we'll do that last. Next, we've got silver speaker cover, and now these black ones are going to have this real nice matching silver finish. Again, just 3M.
I'm out here thinking that we're taking all this out.
Nah, man, I told you, bro. It's just plug and play, or clip and play, or tape and play, whatever you're into, bro. No
Script
judgment.
and play.
Sweet. So I'm going to do that side there. Cool. So once you've taken the cover off, taken the tape off, and the little bit of plastic protection, bit of alcohol. We're just using Bowden Zone. Flash prep. Couple little dabs. Rub it onto the surfaces that you're going to be sticking the 3M to. Let it evaporate. Give it a wipe. This will help. I'm assuming this will help keep the 3M to stick to the surface. So let's give that a go. You'll show us how it's done on the other side, man.
Beautiful.
Look at that. 1, 2, 3. Look how much that pops. That looks so sick. Before and after it's gonna look mean. That looks really, really nice. I'm happy with how kind of that black and chrome look. It's funny because chrome on the outside, I hate it. I don't mind chrome on the inside. That looks pretty sick. That's nice. All right, your turn.
Here we go.
Sick. That looks mean. What do you think, bro?
Last but not least.
Last but not least, we're doing the rear seat cup holder now, carbon fiber. Okay, here we go. That's what she's like now. That's what she's gonna be. We are done. I'm really happy with the installs and how everything looks. It just really brings that level of the interior, just makes it pop. So yeah, as always, Nate, thanks, bro. Appreciate the help.
Good.
Thanks heaps. As always, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next episode.